Welcome to the jungle. Jungle boy. Look, come from the life of hard knocks. He was listening to them birds when he heard that car stop. Damn, I think that made his heart drop. Tried to run, he took out fast, but your brother still got pop. Yeah, and I hope that was a lesson. You should've told him not to leave the crib without Smith and Weston. Don't leave the crib. I could leave the house without my stick, was his impression. That's until them niggas decided to slide up in his section. Yeah, he fell into a deep depression. Ambulance and police started asking all these questions. Physical therapy was needed, but meet it with aggression. He begged you to do some stepping, you step in, load your weapon. Yeah, shit, I thought you was a felon. Don't really care too much, cause you still tryna bust a melon. That ain't your mama, baby, but that's your brother, his name Kellen. Willing to die about him, you always buying what he's selling. Kellen said his friend was the shooter. Load up them chopsticks, them guns longer than the ruler. A bitch had sent the address, you just might have to recruit her. You might get away with murder since you ain't talk on no computer. Solid, not solid. Solid, not so solid. Maybe not solid. Maybe not solid. Maybe not solid. Not so solid. Solid, not solid. Solid, not so solid. Maybe not solid. Maybe not solid. Solid, not so solid. Look, go and watch his house, it's easy, just sit up in the van. Matter of fact, blow you some trees and relax and think about your plan. Don't get nervous now, that's your time, thought you was the man. Got enough information, your brother friend name was Zan. A couple hours later, you see Zan checking his mail. Wait until he go inside and then you can hop on his trail. Matter of fact, go through the back, if you see a dog, then you bail. You know that you gon' prevail, but you still don't wanna go to jail. You can see the coast is clear, so you breathe in and you exhale. Start to think about your life, if you kill him, you go to hell. You can see him through the window, ain't know that you on his trail. Tried to fire off a shot, the gun jamming it, then you fail. What the fuck? Solid, not solid. What the fuck? Solid, not so solid. Not solid, solid. Maybe not solid, maybe not solid. Not so solid. King of the jungle, yeah. These niggas quiet, they gon' mumble. Let the beat breathe, let the beat breathe. To the jungle, yeah. You seen him 2 weeks later at a party. He was with a light-skinned, thick bitch, ass like Cardi. Watch him just to see if he take shots, but he did hardly. Still clutching on your 4D, waiting on him to get gnarly. Nigga. Almost forgot you in the function, so you can't work your move. And then a couple minutes later, you see him approaching you. You grab your stick, then you relax. You decided to play it cool. Walked up on you, told you snake, shit, then shit again. Once upon a time, me and Kellen was like the best of friends. I put him in a shit bag, it wasn't my intent. Tried to rob me, you was next. Don't let Kellen pretend. Your brother was not solid, you should finish him for your story end. Nigga, solid, not solid. Solid, not so solid. Solid, maybe not solid, maybe not solid. Not so solid.
Who is Kevin again?